Welcome to another video. My name is Teria Dankwa Samuel. Right. So in today's tutorials, we are going to learn how to solve. Okay. So let's bring the powers down by taking natural log on both sides. So let's bring this one down. So have ln of x raised 5. Ln of that. Okay. We have 5 times ln of x, then x times ln of 6. Now let's join this one to this. Okay, let's group the ln of x and x on one side. Okay, so we want to apply the Lambert W function. So let's group the ln of x and x on one side, then the ln of 6, then this number here, that variable on another side. So let's divide both sides by. Alright, this one will cancel, and this one too will cancel. So I have ln of x on x equals ln of 6 on 5. Okay. Now I want to apply the Lambert W function here. So m times e to the power m. When you take Lambert W function here, you get m. So let's adjust the left hand side, and we know e raised to ln of x the same as x. So let's introduce e here. So let's support this one with that. So we have ln of x. So this one can be written as per this information, e raised to ln of x, which is the same as x. Have this. Okay. Alright, so let's write this one in linear form. So we can say ln of x, okay, times e exponent negative ln of x equals to ln of 6 on 5. Okay, so before we can take the Lambert W function, we have to make sure what is here and what is there are equal. We have negative ln of x, we have ln of x. So we need to negate this. So you multiply both sides by -1 to make it equal. So have ln of x e is minus ln of x minus ln of 6 on 5. Okay. So let's take Lambert W function. Now that we have this being equal, minus ln of x e equals to the Lambert 6 on 5. Okay, so let's look at the left hand side. Guess the answer. So we have ln of x equals to the w over 5. Okay, so let's solve x. Remember this one is a power with -1, so it's the same as ln of x raised to -1 equals to Lambert ln of 6, 5. Alright, so how do we cancel this ln here? Now when we raise this one with e, it will go away. So let's raise both sides with e. So we have e raised to ln of x to the power -1 e 6, 5. So we have x to the power -1 e but w function over 5. So this one is the same as 1 over x 1 over x equals this. So when you write the final answer, so my x here will be 1 over, okay, e exponent lambda w function of 6 over 5. So when you plug this one, okay, in this, well, from alpha, the solution or the exact value of this will come. So we have e, okay, 1 over e. So when you plug in here, 1 over e raised to, okay, over 5. So when you plug in this, the exact value of this will come. All right. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos like this. All right. Thanks.